One of the favorite stories that I like to tell about one of our favorite customers down the street. Our shops are a couple hundred yards apart, and they were in a desperate need. They were what we call spindle stop, right? So production has stopped. Nothing is going to be made, which means they're not making any money until this tool gets into the spindle. We had it in stock. I got a panicked phone call from the tool room operator. I said, no problem, I'll run it down right now. Jumped in my truck, and sure enough, there's a train on the tracks between our two shops. So I pick up my phone and I called the tool room operator. I said, Joe, just run out your west door. And he went, what? Just run out the west door, trust me. So he gets out the door and I can see him walking towards the railroad tracks, and the train's moving between us, and I took the tool and I chucked it, and it went between the two railroad cars. He caught it, gave me a thumbs up and turned around, and he was up spindle running in minutes. At $100 an hour, those minutes cost. That's an efficient tool delivery.